Good morning, dear students. Today we would discuss about the poem Animals. The poet is Walt Whitman, and uh, he always preaches for freedom. And this poem is basically very ridiculous, satirical, ironical poem. And in this poem, he brings contrast between the animal and the human being. And he criticizes that how human beings are losing the human qualities. What are the human qualities? What are the human values? Friendship, loyalty, honesty, sincerity, all the good values, and which were in the past the possession of a human being. And human being is known for his wisdom. He is distinguished from other animals because of his reason, logic. But now human beings are losing all these qualities. And then if human beings have lost their quality, and where are these qualities found? The poet finds the human values are found in animals. And the qualities found in animals appeal the poet to have friendship with the animals. And he becomes happy and he is impressed to befriend animals, to have friendship with animals, because animals are very placid, calm, composed, satisfied, not ever complaining. But human beings are greedy, dissatisfied, jealous, always try to pull anyone down. And the comparison found in this poem. And human beings do not sleep, do not have sound sleep at night, because we are the modern people, hollow, stuffed people, hollow men. Modern people are hollow men, full of stress, strain. We don't have sound sleep at night. But the animals sleep wherever they like. They are free. They are not greedy. Whatever they get, they have. If they don't have, they never complain. And they are complacent, satisfied. They are complacent, satisfied. They are complacent. They are complacent and satisfied. And they never complain. They never regret. They are not God fearing. They are not God fearing. They never bow their head to their forefathers. But we, the human beings, commit mistake and again regret. We worship for the sake of worshipping, but we don't have a real spiritualism, religiousness. Charity is the best form of religion. But we do to show off. So the poet, and they appear genuine. The animals appear genuine. So the poet thinks that he can be the friend of the animals. I think I could turn and live with the animals. They are so placid and self-contained, self-sufficient, self-satisfied. They never complain, but human beings run after amassing money, gathering money, wealth. They spare the whole, they spare the span of life only running after money. So placid, calm, content. I stand and look at them long and long. Repetition, long and long. The poet stands and looks at them for a long time. They don't sweat. They never do hard work. They sweat means they never appear restless, hasty, worried, Okay, and whine about their condition, never complain about their condition. But we have lot of complaints. We have that, we do not have that, I want that. Okay, they do not lie awake in the dark. They do have sound sleep. Okay, and weep for their sins. They never weep for their, they never regret, because they never commit mistake. But we the people always regret for the mistake we do. And we take, people take wine, and when the wine spoils the health, after that they regret. Okay, they do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. But people, human beings, they show off donating money, doing this, but there is no true religiousness in them, found in them. But I never find them discussing about God. No one is dissatisfied, no one is demented with the mania of owning things. No one is demented, no one is afflicted with mania. Mania means excess desire of gathering wealth. Excess desire of gathering wealth. Not demented. And not one kneels to another, they never kneel to another. Okay, nor to his kind, and that lived thousands of years ago, that lived through their kind, that lived 1,000 years of ago. That means their forefathers, they never bow their head, they never kneel to anyone whom they feel he is the best. But we distinguish people, we divide the people. He is superior, she is inferior, he is rich, he is poor. But they never do it. Okay, they never do it. So no one is respectable, unhappy, no one is unhappy. For them, everyone is equal. Everyone is equal. Everyone is equal on the over the whole world. So they show their relation to me, and I accept. They show their relationship to me, and I gladly accept. Okay, they bring me tokens of myself. Means tokens of myself means I find the human qualities in them. Okay, and they convince, they show the human qualities. I wonder where they got this token. I wonder where they get human qualities. How did these qualities pass to them? Okay, did I pass the way huge times ago? Did I pass long years ago, or negligently drop them? So did human qualities go to them negligently, carelessly? Have these been dropped in them? So the poet wonders. So how did these values go to them? And it was the possession of a human being, and how it became the possession of an animal? Has it been passed negligently, carelessly to them? And it is a satire on the degradation of a human values. As Shakespeare had said, "O reason, you have fled to brutish beast," means the region of a human being has gone to the beast. Okay, so thank you.